Hey guys, it's Ross from RollingStock. We've recently got ourselves a B9 RS5. The car's got the 2.9 litre twin turbo V6 in it, 450 horsepower, 600 newton meters. It's a pretty good platform for us to start with. So we'll be taking the car through a few different stages of mods, adding some products on it that we know and we've used for a while, and we'll also be playing around with some products that we've never really used, so doing a bit of experimenting. At the moment it's in a stage one sort of a tune, you could say, so something that we find to be very common for most of our customers. So initially we had the car completely corrected and coated. The boys at House of Auto Care worked their magic. We've done the black badges front and rear just to black it out a little bit. The upgrades that have given us the biggest visual change would be through the lowering and the wheel choice. We've gone with a H&R height adjustable spring kit, and then we've gone with the Vorsteiner VFF 111. It's a pretty new wheel to the country. It's in the carbon graphite finish and 20x10 spec. It's got a nice concave face and allows us to use the original 275/30 tyres all round. So it's, you know, a relatively cost-effective wheel upgrade. So the plan now for the car will basically be to use it and see how it feels. We'll be able to provide a few updates on how we think it performs, doesn't perform, and give some feedback about the parts that we've added to it and what we think.